Remote Control Linking Procedure. There are no tools required to sync your remote. Be sure to read the Operator Service Maintenance Manual in its entirety prior to working on your Rayco stump cutter. The Maintenance Made Easy videos provide you with visual reference only and are not intended to replace your manual. Always wear proper clothing and personal protective equipment. Hard hat, eye, and ear protection must be worn while working on the equipment. Hand protection should be worn where necessary to protect the worker's hands. Reference your manual for further instruction on proper clothing and protective equipment. On the swing-out arm of the RG55R, make sure the operator control switch is turned to the remote position. The RG80-R will not require this step. Begin with the red E-stop or on-off. The knob is pushed in on the transmitter. Now, pull out the red E-stop or on-off knob to turn on the transmitter. Now, wait for the transmitter to fully power on. The red battery and green RF-SS light will initially both be illuminated right when the red E-stop or on-off switch is pulled and will be illuminated for a maximum of 3 seconds. Wait until you see a slowly blinking RF-SS green light. This light indicates the transmitter is ready to be linked to the receiver. Turn the machine key switch on and start the engine. After the machine starts up, the receiver, located on the machine, will go through a 10 to 15 second phase of booting up. After the receiver is fully powered on, you will see 4 green lights on the display. This indicates the transmitter is ready to be linked to the receiver. The link reception and battery life percentage will show 0% in this phase. Press the green start button on the remote to link the transmitter to the receiver. Verify the transmitter RF-SS green light is blinking fast to ensure the transmitter is linked to the receiver. On the receiver display, check that the link has been established. Reception signal and battery percentage will be on the bottom of the display. This is only displayed when they are properly linked. Your remote control is now linked and ready to use.